Atoms.dev is a platform that allows you to turn ideas into products that sell. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and I'm actually going to use an idea that I currently have, which could potentially turn into a product. It's for a platform called Chord Mapper. The website is chordmapper.pro. Essentially, it allows people to generate chord progressions using emotion instead of theory. So I'm just going to type in here and I'm going to say, see if my okay, so I want to create a application that allows people to use emotion to generate chord progressions. Oh, that's strange. Not sure why that voice mode isn't working. I'm just going to type it out now. I want to make a app that allows people to create chord progressions using emotions instead of theory. On a map canvas, it will be called Chord Mapper. Okay, great. And let's see exactly what we get. In the meantime, anyone who's wondering, the website is chordmapper.pro. So yeah, feel free to sign up to the waiting list as well. Yeah, this is something I'm working on at the moment as a personal project. So yeah, here's the waiting list. You can also click on here and sign up as well. In the meantime, let's go back to Atoms and see what it's given us and what it's telling me I should actually include. So we've got the plans here: interactive emotion map canvas, 2D canvas, yep, chords progression generator, okay, audio playback system, cool. I've already got all of these in Chord Mapper, which has been built. Cool. So I'm just going to click approve. We've also got visual feedback as well. Cool. So let's see exactly what we get here. We've got the engineer Alex thinking. It looks like yeah, cool. They've got names for the different, I guess, kind of agents. You can see here we've got we've got this README being generated right now, so you can see it in the editor. Cool. So it's creating a comprehensive to-do list, which you can see here. I'm gonna let this do what it does best, and then I'm gonna come back to it when it's done. Okay, cool. So now we've got this generated. We can actually select the emotion that we want, which is quite interesting. We can also select to play this back. And cool, we've got a little how it works section and an express yourself section here. So we can also, we've actually been asked for decisions on further improvements. So I can add visual improvements, or I can keep it as it is. I think I'll keep it as it is. Yeah, and this looks quite interesting so far. So I'm going to click exit. Get out of this agent screen, and as you can see, there is this canvas here. So we've added happy emotion points. It's quite interesting, and apparently we've got a chord progression here already. I'm gonna draw this as well. Okay, cool. So essentially you select the emotion and then you just click around, and then you can basically start creating chord progressions, which isn't exactly how my version of Chord Mapper works, the one I vibe coded, but this is also an interesting way to look at it. I think this could be a great way to sort of see what kind of ways or different features you can have in a particular kind of app if you're looking to experiment. Cool. And then we've got this energetic emotion point here. If I want to change the selection of the emotion, I can go to mysterious, and as you can see, we've got a chord progression being formed.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out
on here. And yeah, this is quite interesting. I think it's a cool way to essentially experiment with certain features and see how creative you can be in terms of interfaces and features for any kind of apps you're looking to vibe code. So you can also connect the back end. It seems, I'm not exactly sure what this will entail and what it looks like. If we go into their pricing plan, as you can see, I think they're somewhat generous. So you get 15 credits a day and up to 25 per month. But yeah, if you do want something a bit more substantial, you can always go with their pro plan. I'm not endorsed by these guys in any way, shape or form, by the way. I just think this is a interesting platform. So yeah, definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.